Hello, it's Wednesday the 26th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So the Bank of England sold the mortgage market a bit of a dummy, where so many fixed rate deals were locked in before the rate hike cycle began. The remortgaging play has been a pretty tricky one to navigate. Since rates paused at the peak, so fixed terms have ended and borrowers have therefore faced a quandary. Do they lock in again at the top of the rate curve or face the uncertainty of floating rate mortgages, hoping the MPC will cut rates and lower their costs? Meanwhile, the lenders are dangling new offers to the borrowers, trying to entice them to lock in once again. But all the uncertainty is creating volatility, and many of the lenders are having a little bit of a cry about it. Inflation has reached a 2% target, but it is expected to rise again in the autumn. So where many do see a case for a cut in August now, the MPC may want to wait for the dust to settle after the election. And by the time the vote comes around in September, the inflationary outlook may be a little less rosy, giving further reason to pause. Nothing is certain in this game, I tell you. Over in the US, the market is growing a little impatient with the Fed deliberately extending their pause to allow the policy to take further effect. Don't forget, at the turn of the year, expectation was for the Fed to cut first, possibly even as early as the March meeting. But then inflation started to look a little stickier and the pause started to extend. And the rest, as they say, is history. While growth has slowed since Q4 last year, the US economy has shown resilience through H1 this year, and that's all helped Powell preach patience towards any rate cut. Indeed, it would be pretty odd for the Fed to cut rates when inflation remains so high, and both growth and job creation remain pretty healthy. And they certainly don't want to follow the ECB into cutting rates too soon and then regretting it, do they? In the market, we kick off this morning around 126.85 against the dollar, 118.60 against the euro, and euro dollar is around the 107 mark on the open. That's it from me. Enjoy the sunshine.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.